Morning, my name is Gary Silverside from Industry Partners. Today I'm also here representing IPA Collective, which is a group of trusted, and I guess that's the key word, trusted industry specialists. They offer a range of consulting, training, and other services. I'm very lucky today to have Richard Matthews from Efficiency Works. Good morning.
Morning, Gary. Thanks for the opportunity to join you this morning.
That's great. Hey, tell me a little bit about what Efficiency Works offers.
Well, Efficiency Works is a continuous improvement and leadership capability improvement, consulting and training organization. We're also a registered training organization and we provide accredited and non-accredited training solutions. So we help businesses increase their productivity, increase their leadership capability, and sustain it. So that's what we do.
Oh, okay. What's the key motivation behind the organisation for doing this kind of work?
Well, for me, I see our mission is essentially helping businesses improve, but more specifically, helping businesses increase their capability in both continuous improvement and in leadership, with the key focus being on reduction of waste, whether that's the waste in processes or the waste in the talent of people. So we want to help businesses find ways to improve their product, their service, their processes, improve themselves, and through specific training and consulting support, but also help businesses improve their leadership capability. So, giving businesses the tools to both identify improvements through the continuous improvement side of our work, but then also giving them the skills to enact those improvements. And that's where the leadership capability comes in. So we find these two things go hand in hand. It's not just about giving somebody technical tools, but also you've got to give them the ability to drive that change.
Okay. You've been going for quite some time, and so obviously you must have a lot of good stories of success and how things have worked out for clients. Would you like to just highlight one that gives an example of your products?
Well, if that could be cheeky, I'm going to go for two. So I'd like to talk. We helped a leading Australian engineering company, and a non-manufacturing example in this instance, but we helped them with their business processes around payroll. So we helped this organization identify an almost 100% increase in their efficiency of their payroll processes. And this was done using a classic manufacturing process improvement of value stream mapping. So we helped drive their process down from 72 steps to about 26 steps and identify this 100% productivity improvement. So that's a kind of a bit of a blend of manufacturing, business processes, but also applied in a kind of different context of payroll and payroll processes. And on the leadership side, we have been working with a leading local government authority to deliver neuroscience-based leadership capability improvement. We've trained over 200 frontline leaders, so people in team leader, supervisor, project manager, junior manager, kind of job roles in a 3-day neuroscience-based leadership capability improvement process. And we're basically working through the entire organization, and that's been hugely successful. We've run over 15 cohorts in over 2 years, and that's been really well received. So that's two examples of how we work in manufacturing, we work in broader industry and engineering, we work in support services, and we also work in areas like local government.
Cool. Efficiency Works have had a long relationship with IPA, and over basically the IPA Collective was developed, and you guys jumped on board immediately. What are the benefits that you see as being part of the IPA Collective?
Well, specifically, we've seen benefits from our membership, the IPA Collective, through business gained. So we have been fortunate enough to have won several pieces of business from our relationship with IPA and exposure to IPA members. But as part of the collective, as it's kind of essentially a non-competing group, so we have a kind of synergy across different fields and activities, we're able to not just network, but also kind of learn what other companies in similar positions to us are doing to identify new clients, how they're working with industry trends like AI, manufacturing 4.0, areas like that. It's very, very good to have that network of non-competing partners, so to speak, across with common interests. So that's a kind of twofold benefit from us. We get a lot of benefit from this relationship.
All right, that's really good. Richard, I'd like to thank you for your time this morning.
Thanks, Gary. Always happy to help, always happy to support, and thanks for the good work that all of your team do, making this whole thing a success.
You're welcome.